How to change the template of an image in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Canva application or you can simply head toward the official website of Canva. Log in with your account details and go to the design from which you want to change the template. On your left hand side, you will see a lot of options. From that, simply click on element and choose the option of photo. Choose the option of upload files. After that, File Explorer will open on your screen. Choose the image which you want to include in the template. After that, once you enter both the pictures, you will be able to see the option of template. Simply choose any one which you like and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.